Alright guys, I hate doing this, but it's time. We're doing a venting video. What is up guys? My name is Mark Santamaria. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to RC Vlog. Guys, I did that video recently on Friday about the Kraton. It seems like people are hypercritical or judgmental on any opinions I have towards Arrma because they automatically brand me as a Traxxas fanboy. So let me say this first. I like Traxxas, I like Arrma, I like them both. Traxxas is down the street from me. Like, how do you blame me for not driving more Traxxas? So that's the that's the first thing I gotta get off my chest. So I like them both, guys. I like them both, so don't get so mad. But I gotta clear a few things up real quick that might piss some people off. So if you're super sensitive, don't even watch. Just click off. Just don't even watch, because this it could piss all different types of people off on both sides. So let me get to it. All right. So to get straight to the point, we can't compare these two cars. This is the Erevo 2.0. This is the Arrma Kraton. The reason why we can't compare these two cars, remember guys, I've been doing this a long time, and a lot of guys were saying some really mean things about how I don't know what I'm doing, I need to do this. I understand that there are things you can do to this car to make it backflip and wheelie. I totally understand. I told everyone whenever I do reviews, I like to do reviews as if someone who's never been into the hobby picks the car up and drives it and what their experience is. Because that's, I would say 80% of the people that are gonna go pick some of this stuff up, they're not gonna know a lot about weight viscosity in the center diff, punch control. They're not gonna have the program box. I mean, they're not gonna know those things. So I realize there are things you can do to make this thing wheelie and backflip. But that review I did yesterday was just out of the box. Again, I put all the stock electronics that you would get out of an RTR in this thing. So don't get so bent out of shape about that. Okay, the reason why we can't compare these two is because, back to me doing this a long time, I was around when they raced monster truck. This is not a monster truck, unfortunately. Unless, I gotta caveat that, somewhere down the line between when we were racing monster truck and now, they've changed the definition of a monster truck. This would not qualify as a monster truck. Let me tell you what a monster truck is. A monster truck is something with a lot of ground clearance, and by the rules, whenever they race monster truck, the diff case had to be below the chassis. This is a Erevo 2.0. The diff case right here is below the chassis. You see this? So basically you have the chassis like this, the diff is mounted below it. Chassis, diff. This is a truggy. I know on the brochure, on the manual, on the box, online, it's gonna say a monster truck. Again, if they change the definition of monster truck, that's fine. I'm sorry, this isn't for sensitive people. A truggy is where the diff case sits above the chassis. That is a huge advantage when it comes to handling characteristics, to have your lower center of gravity and to have your diff above the chassis. So if you really want to compare this to something, you have to compare it to all the other truggies on the market. Your Technos, your Losis, your Mugans. It's a tough pill to swallow, guys, but this is a truggy. They call it a monster truck. Even Techno has their monster truck. It's technically a truggy that's shorter. So somewhere down the line, they decided to change up what they defined as a monster truck. And I could be completely wrong now, and everything I just said, they've completely thrown away. The monster truck class is dead. They don't care anymore. But when we used to run monster truck, Losi had a monster truck, Associate had a monster truck, Traxxas had a monster truck, and it was all defined based on this chassis being above the gearbox. All right, and lastly, my honest opinion in regards to these two cars. Both of them are a lot of fun. I like them both. Right now, I'm a little crazier about this one. I just built it. It's fun to drive. When it comes to durability, I think that one's more durable. I will admit that the things that I did on the first run with this thing, if I would have done with the Revo, it would have broken. There it is. So now when it comes to hop-ups, I feel like you got a better advantage on there. I did do things to this thing where it doesn't break anymore, but when it comes to just out-of-the-box durability, it goes to the Arrma. So there you go, guys. Again, sorry, I don't vent very often. This is just real talk. Just going to end it all. I'm just going to continue to review these things the way I want to review them because a lot of people like it. For the most part, most of the feedback was positive. So I'm going to get off my soapbox. I've said what I've said. I will continue to drive both these because they are in the same category, I guess. Whenever you go online and go look for RC Monster Truck, they're both going to come up. And I think that's cool. I think the dynamic here, like the kind of the, not really feud, but the battle between these two cars, I think it's cool. I think it's fun, and I'm going to embrace it. You can't go wrong with either car. Both of them are really, really good in their own ways. So, guys, don't get so upset. Just be happy that we have such cool choices, cool cars to choose from, and we live in this era where we got 60-mile-an-hour monster trucks because it's freaking awesome. Well, there you have it, guys. I'm done. I do like a venting video like maybe once every quarter or something, so that was it. That's enough. I hope you liked the video, guys. If you did, smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and you guys will see me next time. Later, guys.